Okay, hello everyone. Hope you all are having a great Christmas wherever you are in this world. It has officially become Christmas Day here about 32 minutes ago. And I'm making a video to confess something. I said I probably wouldn't make any more NuTyX videos. And here we are on NuTyX. So I'd like to confess that lie to you. I'm sorry. And I also said that I wouldn't be releasing the ISO. And in fact, that's really not a lie, because I'll be releasing a different ISO than the one I said I wasn't going to release. Thierry was kind enough to give his approval. He was very glad for me to release the ISO, and I thought long and hard about it, and I decided I would go ahead and release it. And after making that decision, I've gone in and reworked the ISO again. I've added some Zorg stuff to hopefully help with other people's computers, and I've made a few changes to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it up here in VirtualBox and show you, just go over real quick what I've changed. And I still have a few little things I have to do to it. I have to write some release notes and a couple of other small issues to take care of. Nothing that you'll see in this, because it doesn't affect anything whatsoever, but just some of those little nitpicky things that I like to take care of. So let's go ahead and open it up. I already have it opened here in VirtualBox, and as you'll see, it still looks the same. So what have I done? Well, I've reworked the menu. Since I'm going to make this available for other people, I like things pretty sparse and bare, but other people may not. So I've reworked the menu a little bit. First things first, I changed the run command. I was using dmenu, but now I'm using Rofi, baby. So that's one change. And by the way, if you like the look of dmenu, you can change Rofi. Am I saying that right? Is it Rofi or Rafi? I don't know. I call it Rofi, so that's good enough for me. So you can change Rofi to look like dmenu, where it'll appear up here at the top of the screen. So that's one of the changes. I've added a screenshot, and all of these, when you take a screenshot, they will automatically go into your pictures folder. And also the print screen button on your keyboard will do the same thing. It'll take a screenshot immediately and place it in your pictures folder. I added a couple of more of my little Mio Linux toys. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And still have the panel switcher. These two items here, I'll go over that after I do the video for the actual release. These won't work for you until you create a new user, a new root user, okay? But I'll go over that. The open box menu is still the same as it was last time. I added a screen lock. I don't use screen lock myself, but I know some people like it, so I added that. I'll touch on that in just a moment. You might notice down here on the bottom panel, I have two of these same icons. Now this one, in the actual ISO release, this is P menu. You know, it looks similar to the LXDE menu. But this one, My last release of Linux, for those who may not be aware, it was open box, but I had fun and I made it, even though it was open box, I made it to somewhat mimic the Deepin distro. And one thing I didn't do was create a full screen menu on that release because I was having some issues. And I finally, thanks to one of the guys on the Bunsen Labs forum, I can't remember his username on the forum right now, and I apologize, I wish I could. I'll be sure to bring that out in the video that I make for the release. He was kind enough to help me. What I was doing, I was having trouble. I couldn't figure out how to make the menu close when you clicked on an application, and he helped me get through that. It was very simple. So basically what this is, it's just a full screen application launcher. You don't have to use it, but it's there for anyone who wants it. So let's click on it, and you'll see this will bring up a full screen. This is what I call the poor man's Deepin full screen application launcher. It's made with YAD, and basically all it is, it's reading the user share applications directory. So any applications that are in that directory are going to appear here, and the more applications you add, you'll be able to scroll down and find the application. But how it works, unlike other menus, like I said, this is the poor man version, okay? You can't click on an empty spot and the menu disappear. So I included this close button. But I have the application set for single click. So just click on it one time, and when that application opens, then the menu will close. So let's do one. I'll do customize look and feel. And there we go. Customize look and feel opens and the menu closes. So, and the menu, that menu, whatever, it will adapt to whatever theme you're using. Okay. So that's how that will work. And I'll just show it again real quick just to show you how that close button works. I mean, it's pretty obvious. If you open the menu and you decide you don't want to open anything, then just click the close button down here. Okay? Now, this is NuTyX. It's the rolling release, and basically what it is, it's gotten the Linux treatment. I have basically rethemed it, customized it the way I like it customized. It's still like Linux. You get a very base system with hardly anything installed so that you can install what you want on it. But since I did retheme it, let me show you the login screen. I will log out. And there's the login screen. Linux rolling based on NuTyX. Okay? And that's exactly the same screen when you do the screen lock. It'll bring you back to this screen right here, okay? And just to show you how that works, it's not, when you lock the screen, it doesn't log you out. Let me open up a couple of items just to show that to you. There's the file manager, and I'll open up the terminal, and we'll do the screen lock. Alright, screen is locked, but it brings you right back to what you had before. Everything's there. And let's see if this will work. Just to show that it is the rolling release. Right here, rolling, and it it's on all of them. Okay, so it is the rolling release, and hopefully I will have it finished soon. Just wanted to let people know that I did decide to go ahead and release it, and I appreciate the interest, and I certainly appreciate Thierry being okay with it, and actually being more than okay. He was happy for me to release it, so that meant a lot. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas day. If your Christmas day is already over, I hope it went well. Hope you all have a great day, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you are. Thanks for watching.